lesson 46, and we're continuing with rates, unit price, and sales tax. We just learned how to do unit price, and we're going to be doing rates now. And rates work exactly the same way as unit price. So if unit price was easy, rates will be easy too. Let's look at two rate problems. Use your pause button if you need to make sure that you have the complete problem on your paper and that you can work out the math along with me. Hans pedaled, so poor Hans is riding a bicycle, 84 kilometers in 4 hours. He's a very active guy. What was his average speed? This doesn't look like a unit price or a rate problem until you think about it. When we measure speed, we're measuring how far someone went in a unit of time. In this case, they gave us kilometers and hours. So his average speed, we're going to want to measure in kilometers per hour. Now that looks a lot more like what we did before. This problem would now read, he pedaled 84 kilometers in 4 hours. What was his average kilometer per hour? Now I can solve that problem. I want to find his kilometers per hour. He went 84 kilometers. And he did that in 4 hours. Let's reduce that so that we can come up with our answer in kilometers per hour. Take 84, divide by 4. You can probably do that in your head even. 84, in case you can't. Take 84, divide by 4. 84 divided by 4 is 21. And that answers our number of kilometers per hour. That's his average speed. This problem doesn't ask for speed, it asks for miles per gallon, but we're going to do it exactly the same way as our unit price and as our first rate problem. Let's look at it together. Use the pause button if you need to make sure that you have it on your paper. Sebastian rode 243 miles on his motorcycle. It's a good trick too. He used 4.5 gallons of gas. How many miles per gallon did he average? Well, there's the trick to our problem. We want to find miles per gallon. We talked before in our unit price problem about when you have per, you're going to use the fraction sign. So we want to find the number of miles per gallon. Let's solve that problem. I want to find miles per gallon. I have my miles. He went 243 miles. Per, he used 4.5 gallons of gas. Now I'm left with a simple division problem. 243 divided by 4.5. If I take 243 and I divide by 4.5, I will get an answer of 54. And that's my number of miles per gallon. Miles per gallon. Take a moment and get that all on your paper. When you're finished, we're going to try a sales tax problem in our next video, which works very much the same way.